An increasing number of original equipment manufacturers are choosing to finish their products with powder coating because it's a tougher, more durable coating, offering lower applied costs and simplified environmental compliance. The application of powder coating is clean and simple. By choosing powder coating, manufacturers gain a number of benefits, including lower operational costs, lower reject rates, a reusable material that increases utilization efficiency, more color and surface appearance flexibility, as well as excellent corrosion protection and weatherability. Simply put, the powder coating process provides an impressive economic value to manufacturers while offering the best finish quality.
It's got a lot of benefits as opposed to using liquid paint. Efficiency transfer, cost, and it's environmentally friendly, so we don't have to worry about special needs as far as applying the paint.
You're a lot more efficient. We're about 98.5 efficient because we can reclaim powder and reuse it in all applications.
It's a lot easier to apply, and it's training friendly. The cost, whether it be a rework cost or first time applying cost, all that can go back to the consumer in cost savings.
Whether you're an OEM looking to improve operational performance or simply offering a better finish quality, selecting a powder coating finish enhances your brand. Stand out from the competition by promoting the value powder coating brings to your customer. Make your mark and brand your product with the powder-coated Tough Mark today.